How many English apps have you downloaded on your phone? 5, 10, maybe 20. But here's the real question. Are you really using them to improve your speaking? Today, I'll show you the best English apps for speaking. Not just the popular names, but how to use them in a smart and fun way. Say with me, part 1, problem. One of my students once told me, "Teacher, I have Duolingo, HelloTalk, and even some apps. I don't remember, but still my speaking hasn't improved." And I asked him, "Okay, how do you use them?" He said, "Well, I just open them, do a few exercises, and then close the app." Here's the truth. Apps are tools, not magic. If you don't use them the right way, they are just colorful buttons on your phone. But if you know how to use them, they can really help. So let's check out the top apps for speaking English and how to get the best results. Part 2. The apps. HelloTalk and Tandem. Talk with real people. These apps connect you with people around the world. You can text, send voice messages, or even have a call. Why is this so good? Because you're not just learning from a book, you're practicing real conversations. The tip is, don't just write, "Hi, how are you?" and stop. Prepare small questions before you start. For example, what food do you like in your country? Or, can you tell me a good movie? This way, you practice natural English, not just boring phrases. And remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just practice communication even with mistakes. Sometimes you need real help. That's where Cambly or Italki are useful. You can talk with teachers and practice English right from your room. The best part, you can choose the topic, business English, casual talk, job interviews, anything. Here's a hack. Instead of one long 60-minute class, try short 15-minute lessons a few times a week. Short but often is better than long but rare. Fix your pronunciation. This app is like a pronunciation coach in your pocket. You speak, and the app tells you which sounds are good and which need work. It's great because sometimes even your friends won't tell you if you say something wrong. Elsa gives you instant feedback. Here's a challenge. Record yourself saying one sentence. Listen, then try again until you sound close to the model voice. After 1 month, you'll hear the difference in your accent. Okay, let's be real. Duolingo is not perfect for speaking, but it's fun for learning words and quick practice. Same with Memrise. The trick is, don't only play with the app. Use what you learn right away. For example, if you learn "I'm excited," say it in 10 different sentences. I'm excited for dinner. I'm excited to watch Netflix. I'm excited to talk to you. Apps give you the words, but your mouth needs to practice them. Otherwise, they stay only in your head. If you don't want to spend money, Speaky is great for free partners. You can call, text, or even video chats. But the key is routine. If you only chat once, nothing changes. But if you set a plan, for example, 20 minutes every Monday and Thursday, then you'll see real progress. You don't need a special app at all. Just use WhatsApp or Telegram, but in English. Make a small English group with your friends. Rule: this group is only English, no translations. Send voice messages, talk about your day. It's free, it's fun, and it's real. Sometimes the best app is the one you already have. Part 3: How to use apps smartly. Listen carefully. Downloading 20 apps will not make you fluent. Using 1 or 2 apps will. Here's the simple plan. Pick one app for talking with people. Pick one app for pronunciation or words. Practice 10 to 15 minutes every day. That's it. So, what are the best English apps for speaking? It depends on you. If you want real conversations, HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky. If you want tutors, Cambly or Italki. If you want to fix your sounds, Elsa Speak. And for extra fun, Duolingo or Memrise. But remember, the app doesn't make you fluent. You make you fluent. The app is just your helper. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite English app? Have you tried any of these? Comment below and don't forget, like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy English tips every week. No one can be famous, but everyone can be great. Take care.